Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm doing a speed clean video, guys, for Christmas. I love watching cleaning videos and I'm always inspired, and I'm hoping to do that to you as well. I hope you enjoy. So this is pretty much how I start my mornings. Now, I had a goal this year to try and do my dishes every night before bed. Unfortunately, I failed miserably on most accounts. So this is usually what I wake up to in the morning. Now, I usually like to start my morning by opening up the blinds. There's nothing like beautiful sunshine to get you in the mood for cleaning. I then start with the dishes. I try to rinse everything down and then stack them in the dishwasher. I then use one of my favourite cleaning products at the moment. This is Vanilla Fresh and it makes my kitchen smell divine. Now, I then like to go around and remove some of the fresh flowers that I have in my home. These baby's breath were absolutely stunning when they were fresh, but they had seen their last days. So I removed them from this beautiful urn and then I cleaned out the urn with some bleach. I then also gave the urn a good wipe down with that vanilla spray, and then I was ready to add some more flowers. I then moved on to my hot plates and I removed the steel bars from the top, and again taking that vanilla spray I added it over the top. Now, I absolutely love this vanilla spray for a main reason, that it is really good on stainless steel. I also use it on the front of my oven, and again with the stainless steel it comes up a treat. I then put the steel grills back on, and then as a decorative accent I then use this pink cake stand from TK Maxx, and I like to style it with different things on top. So I'm using my polka dot little kettle as well as my But First coffee mug. Now, to my left hand side of my oven, I then take that same vanilla spray and I go over my canisters. These are from Kmart Australia, and I just give them a light clean down. Now, as I'm cleaning my home, I like to do everything in sections. So to the right of my kitchen is the view out to the backyard, and I'm just stacking away the iron as well as a towel that I iron on. I don't have an ironing board, and I'm just giving it also a very good clean and wipe down. Now on my dining table, I just removed this fake fur runner that I picked up from TK Maxx, and I like to wipe down my entire table. Off camera, I also gave my chairs a very good wipe down, and then I added back that fake fur runner from TK Maxx. I then started to add back my decor that I've had out for the Christmas season, and I just place it all in the way that I had it previously. I always like to add a candle when I finish each area, and I just added these little tea light candles inside my candle jars from TK Maxx. I also like to add one to my kitchen, and this is my favourite scent at the moment, guys. This candle is called Christmas Cookie, and it's from Kmart Australia, and I absolutely love the aroma that goes through my home when I burn this. And it's quite hilarious because my husband comes home and thinks that I have been baking all day, when technically I am no cook whatsoever, and he knows that. But he comes in the house and says, "Have you been baking cookies?" And I think it's so funny. Now with that white urn, I decided to add some white fake hydrangeas to the vase, and I styled it on my Kmart Australia marble tray. I then move on to my living room, and I start by removing everything off the lounge, and I get my vacuum cleaner and go over with a very deep clean. Once that's all complete, I then take my pillows and throws and put them back in place. Once it's complete, I then like to clean down my coffee table. So I start by removing everything from it, and again going in with that vanilla spray, I give it a very good wipe down. I then add back my coffee table decor. Now this is pretty much what I've had all year round. So I love styling my coffee table. This was actually a thrift store find that I just used some marble contact paper and I spray painted it gold, and it's held up so well, guys. I've had this for over a year now. I then move on to my thrift store dresser that you may recognise from my recent video makeover, and I cleaned it off camera and then added this beautiful fake fur runner, also from TK Maxx. I then like to wipe down my mantle, and basically I take everything off the top of the mantle and go over it again with a good wipe down. I then restyle it with my current Christmas decor, and I added it to the top, and then I added a few additional pieces like these adorable little angel wings to my pom-pom garland. I then started on my master bedroom. Now today it was just a quick tidy up. I was making the bed and cleaning all my mirrored furniture. Now normally I would use Windex on my mirrored furniture, but I try to do that once a week. But on this particular day I just went in with my microfiber duster, and I like to just go over that quickly. I then added my decorative throw pillows to the front, and I absolutely love this cute little Christmas one that I picked up from TK Maxx recently. It's a naughty and nice cushion, and I think it's so adorable, and it came in my favourite colour, blush pink. Now when I'm finished, I also like to go in with this Febreze fabric spray, and I spray it over my bed, and it smells so divine. Now I then move on to my home office, and guys, this is the room that desperately screams my attention the most. This was at its worst, guys. This is where Shell's Glam Home comes to life. Everything from DIY to fabrics to home decor, you name it. There's Christmas presents, there's fall decor, everything gets stashed in here. And the easiest way for me to get on top of this is I remove everything from the room and start fresh. thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to do some cleaning and decorating in your home this Christmas season. Don't forget, guys, to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shell's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.